How to open and view XPS files on Windows 11. Open Settings. Right-click the Start menu and select Settings. Click the System, then click Optional Features. In View or Edit Optional Features tab, click the View Features button. Click See Available Features. Type XPS into the search box, check the box for XPS Viewer, and then select Add. Important message will appear. Please wait for the operations to complete before closing. Once features added, you can check XPS Viewer features by clicking See Available Features. Click the Close button. Go to XPS File and right-click the XPS file. Click the Open and then click XPS Viewer app. You can open, view, and edit these files using built-in Windows features.